Hi, welcome to Lamb Cam. My name's Bernice, and you don't normally get to see me because I'm the one that controls the camera in the shed, the CCTV camera. You might also see my name popping up on the web page, answering comments. And today I thought we could have a chance to look at the bits outside the lambing shed that you don't normally get to see on Lamb Cam. So this is the main lambing shed. We've got about 250 breeding ewes in the flock, so we're expecting over 350 lambs, hopefully well over 350 lambs. They all get pregnancy scanned at Christmas and we mark them up according to what they've got inside them. So everything that's got twins or triplets is in this shed here. So the code is 1 orange dot means twins, 2 orange dots means triplets. And then in the shed across the way, we've got all the girls that are expecting a single lamb. So these are all the girls that are expecting a single lamb. So here we are at the nursery. After they've given birth, the ewe and her lambs come across here to the nursery and spend a few days getting to know each other in a bonding pen. So after a couple of days in the nursery, we move the sheep and their lambs into a bonding pen so that they can start to learn to find each other in a crowd. And then after a couple of days in here, it's out into the field.